So Mukti, today is your special day. Are you ready for your day? Yes, we have so many people sending you best wishes. Are you ready to meet them? Say yes or no. See, you have to say yes or no. Then only we will take you to our people. Are you ready, Bob? Yes. Okay. So let's see who comes the first one.
Happy birthday Mukti. Many happy returns of the day. If you remember me, we did TSN together in India. Wishing you a great health, wealth and happiness on your special day. Hope we meet soon either in Laos or in India. Sending you a lots of love and blessings from India. Keep rocking, keep shining.
So this was Shekhar from India, from Faridabad. I hope you remember him. He has sent you a lot of love and blessings, and he says that he will be meeting you soon. Do you want to know who is the next one? I know you want to know. Okay, I will not take much time. Let's see who is the next one.
Hey Mukti, wish you a very happy birthday to you. Lots of love, lots of blessing to you, and keep spreading the knowledge. You are already on very good path. You are teaching kids, you are spreading Guru's knowledge. Soon become a teacher of Gurudev and spread lots of knowledge. Yes, and keep smiling always. You are already so beautiful, so keep smiling. Yes, and come to India, become Gurudev's teacher. Yes, and I'll get you a samosa for you. Yes, with red chutney. Okay, chalo, bye bye.
Your fans from India are waiting for you to have samosa. Are you also hungry now to have samosa with red chutney? Oh, so Pranay says you have to become Gurudev's teacher soon. You have to visit India soon. Yes? Okay. So do you know who is the next one? Guess. Guess. Who is the next one? Okay, let us take you to the next person.
Bye Dee. Wish you a very happy birthday on. Have a blast on your birthday. Enjoy your day to the fullest and enjoying all your yoga poses and whatever yoga and gym poses you are doing, because that is very fascinating. Come soon to India. We are missing you. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.
So you see, here was your one more fan, and not only she invited you for India, she said she really admires your yoga and fitness postures. So many people are seeing my Mukti on social media. So many people are following our dear Mukti. So you know who is the next one? Yes, after Bhumi, we have her.
सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, तुझे मुबारक खुशियाँ आत्मज्ञान की, तुझको है अनंत में जाकर मिल जाना, तुझको है अनंत में जाकर मिल जाना, तू है सुंदर फूल संसार की, सबसे सुंदर फूल इस संसार की. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday on. May Guruji bless you and may all your wishes come true, and may you have a blissful life ahead. And I miss you. Please come to India soon.
Oh, so many people are missing our dear Mukti. See, she greeted you so nicely in our Art of Living birthday song. Sagar mein ek lehar uthi. You are a wave in the ocean. Yeah. So many people are missing you. Are you happy? I know you must be happy. And I know you are waiting for someone very special. So you want to meet him? Okay, let's go. Not this side. This time, this side. Okay.
Hello on, wish you many happy returns of the day. Sabaiti, Sukh Sanvankar, and I hope you do really well. And I just want to tell you that I really miss being with you. I really miss the food you used to make for me, and may you grow in knowledge, may you grow in life, may you become the art of living teacher soon and teach more and more people the solution of Kriya, bring them to this knowledge which you are already doing great. So wish you many happy returns of the day and khoy ki thought chawal lai.
Oh. He finished very early. Oh. I'm sorry, I was helping, I was helping Didi to make the cake in the kitchen, so that's why I came with this. Yeah, his wishes, Siddhant's wishes means a lot for you because he was the person who introduced you to the art of living. I remember, yes. Yes, he always wants you to grow in knowledge. He always wants your best wish. He always wants you to grow and reach to more and more people. I know you must be having some tears in your eyes, yes. Till this time. I have done full arrangement, I have done full arrangement for the tears to come. Okay. So, who will be the next person? Maybe let me go in and let me send Didi out to record her video. Bye bye.
We wish you a very happy birthday. You are really such an angel. We don't know how to say thank you to God because God has gifted us such a beautiful angel, beautiful doll. We are so happy, so blessed that you came in our life. You are really a gift from the nature, a gift from the God. May you always be happy and you be smiling like this and making everybody around you happy and smiling like this. You know we love you so much and we are always available for you. Whenever in life you need us, do tell us. We are always there with you. Love you so much. You are really special. You are really very precious for us actually. Love you so much. Sukh Sanvankar.
Happy birthday Mukti. Lots of love from me and Papa. Sukh Sanvankar.
Okay, I know after listening to Didi, now you are already, your heart is full of love and your eyes are full of tears. I know you very nicely, Miss Fun on Miss Mukti. Okay, Mukti, so lot of best wishes to you, lots of success come to you, and we wish you a very happy birthday. Lots of best wishes from Miss Vans, Miss Dalis, Miss Dogs, Miss Ventilas, and Miss Hallows. With everyone from all your lovely people of KSamsam and ICBC. A lot of best wishes on your very important day, and from Panyathep and from Hitchfield, not Hitchfield, Hitchfield. I know I can say it right now. Yes, right or not? Okay. So see you next year with so many new people, and bye bye. Hey, I know you are waiting for somebody special to say Yes or no? Yes? No? Okay, bye. You are still watching here? Okay. So this person is coming on your screen now. I know he is a very, very special person of your life. I know he can share anything with you, and you also can share anything with him. Yes? You want to meet him? No? Yes? Yeah? What? You want to meet him? Okay. Close your eyes. Hey, you have to close your eyes, you know. You have to close your eyes, take one normal breath in and one breathe out, and check 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 out. And done, and
Sabaidi, Jai Gurudev. So this video is for someone very, very special whose journey started as a teacher and student, and now it has reached up to brother and sister. Yes. So a very, very happy birthday to my dear Mukti. You are such a peaceful, calm, happy, fun-loving person. I have seen you growing from here to this level. People just want to sit with you, people just want to spend time with you. Your presence is so positive, your aura, your energy is so positive that it can attract anyone. Gurudev, grace is always with you. I still remember the first time we met in the happiness program, and you were a little sweet girl and who just wanted to get rid of the shoulder pain. And then you started coming to do seva, and you went to India. So all such things happen, and it is said that I am hard to put it into the words. I know you can understand my feelings, my emotions. It is sometimes very, very hard to put the feelings into words. Some people, they just come to you and suddenly they become the part of your family. Your day starts with them and your day ends with them only. And you are such person. I still remember when we used to do the recordings. So early morning, 3:30 or 4, we used to wake up so that, and we used to say that, Didi, you don't have to walk because we are doing recording. And this, and then when you used to come back from your school in the evening, in the night, we used to play, we used to sing, we used to celebrate. I still remember when you used to say that, you know why they have put my name as Mukti? Because they need Mukti from me. Yes. Actually, we don't want Mukti from you. We will get free because you are with us. Yeah. So I wish you a very, very happy birthday and lots of best wishes, lots of best fortune come to you. And me and Didi, we are always there with you to support you, to help you grow in your life. And thank you for accepting us as your family, and we are very, very grateful to you. Thank you so much. Jai Gurudev.
I really love this person, in yellow t-shirt. He is just an amazing personality. I love him. Your elder brother is too cute, too handsome, too smart. Yes, I love your brother. put it so nicely. He was just nostalgic, you know. His words just ended up, and I know there are some tears coming out of your eyes for me. That's why I'm wearing the glasses, you know. And I know your heart is full of love and gratitude, and you are grateful to Gurudev, to everyone around you. Yes, no problem. Let the tears come. This is your day. So these are all the wishes just to remind you that you are so cute. Wait. Let me put this also. So these all wishes are, I may be looking handsome, yeah. So these all wishes are just to remind you that you are so cute, you are so beautiful, you are so pure soul, pure heart, and happy person, and your smile makes a difference, you know. Your smile gives smile to so many people. So many people are waiting for your smile each and every day. So keep smiling, be happy, and me, I am your elder brother in yellow t-shirt. He is always there to help you, to support you, to grow you, to be much more free from inside. See, I listen to him and I also become like him. No. So, are you ready for more fun? Yes, you will be saying, oh, still more are left. Maybe, who knows? Keep watching our show. #Mukti ka birthday. Janamdin ki shubhkamna. Sukh Sanvankar. Mukti ka birthday. And now, you want to see more? Have I prepared more? Okay, let me see if I have something more for you. Okay, till then, bye bye. Okay, this cap is borrowed by someone, so I have to use it here. And bye bye.